Welcome yet again back to my channel. So today again I am at Lennar Chateau here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I am previewing today this model home here called the Cambridge. So the Cambridge is part of their ranch style homes. This actually is not completely ranch style, although if you needed a model similar to this, they do have a model that is completely ranch style, but this one here is ranch style, but it has one bedroom upstairs. Why don't you come along with me and you see exactly what I mean. Hi. Okay, so immediately you come in here. You come in, first of all, the detail. I love this entryway. Can we just focus in on that? The hardwood going all throughout the home here, and it just makes that entryway look that much more grand. But if you were to come back in here, so on your left here, it goes into a bedroom, a first bedroom here. So this home is based on the ranch style community here that they have. So there are 2 bedrooms downstairs. And as you can see, this is a huge room, and the light, it is very, very lit and bright in here. And it has a very nice sized closet as well. Very beautiful closet here. All right. And then out here, it has a bedroom, kind of like, I guess, a whole bedroom for the first floor down here. So this is very nice. It's a singular sink, not a double vanity, and a walk-in tub. Well, not a walk-in tub, just a tub. And here we just have some storage space. And then going down my favorite hallway here, we're gonna go right. So on your right here is where you would have your washer and dryer, but this is model home. So this is still kind of like storage, but you get the idea and you get the vision here. This would be your washer and dryer space. And I like this little mudroom area here, right? When you come right out of the garage. And this is a 2-car garage as well. So it's a very spacious garage. And there is a door as well leading outside of the garage. So I think that is pretty cool. You can see the door right over here. Excuse the mess. This is a model home, but there is a door here that leads you right outside. So there are multiple entrances as well. Okay, so let's go. All right, and so now we are entering the living space area. So within this living space area, guys, oh my goodness, I forgot the dining room. It's been one of those days. But okay, so here's the dining area here. You can see this dining area is actually big enough to sit 8. And I feel like you can get more out of it. So that gives you that idea, right, for Thanksgiving dinner. We are in the holiday season. For Thanksgiving dinner, for Christmas dinner, New Year celebrations, whatever it is, right? This is big enough to host a lot of people. And I kind of like that, like, it's its own section. You get what I mean? So it's just different and it's intimate and it's not like all jumbled up in the kitchen. So I do love that it's completely separate. So that is the formal dining actually. And then we're gonna head over here to the living space area. And within this living space area, one thing I noted, and whoever staged this home did a great job in doing it, because the 2 mirrors, they reflect the rest of the room, making this downstairs area look that much bigger. So to me, that is very clever. That is so smart. And it just makes it doesn't make it feel so tight. I mean, this area is pretty big on its own already, but those just add that much more, I guess, life and that much more space, hypothetically, to it. So yeah, good job. Kudos to it, whoever staged this home. That was a very thoughtful and great idea. And then, you know, we're entering here the kitchen area. One thing that you cannot miss, or you cannot miss about this kitchen area, period, is this island. This is a very interesting style island. And, you know, this home is built more for like that older, for the older individual. So it's perfect, right? For like entertaining as well. You know, you can kind of have like You can see there are 3 bar stools here and 3 placemats. You can even sit a lot more around this island, right? Going back to like when your kids are coming into town, or like maybe for Thanksgiving, Christmas dinner, holiday, Easter, whatever it is. This is perfect to sit around and cook, you know, with mom, dad, or whoever it is. And this home does come with the appliances. So all in our homes do convey with the appliances. I don't think the fridge is included. I don't believe many builders actually convey fridge anymore with the homes. And you can obviously pick like your color of cabinets and your trim that comes with it, your choice of backsplash. And I think this is an excellent choice of backsplash here. And then guys, of course, you can have the choice of hardwood all throughout the house, which I think is perfect and is easy cleanup. And then, you know, we have our less formal dining area here. So one cool feature about this home is that it is Alexa controlled. So this is one of the first homes in the States where it is Alexa controlled. And so that's pretty cool. Wouldn't you want that? You can just say, Alexa, turn on music, Alexa. So that's pretty awesome. And I know some people, that may be a huge turnoff for you. Well, this is just not the home for you. Well, actually, I think you can make that, excuse me, let me not say this is not the home for you. I correct that. You can make the selection if you chose not to go with it as well. Okay, so let's check out the owner suite down here. So this entryway here to the owner suite, I love this. Like, you know, if you're a lover of plant, you can showcase your plant here, or maybe like pictures of grandkids here. Perfect. And this owner suite is just amazing. I think of my parents actually when I go through this home, because I just know like this would be the style of home they would absolutely love. My parents are one to kind of like love to sit out and enjoy the outdoors. So I think this would be perfect. You know, I'm sure maybe some of you are looking at this home and thinking about your parents or whoever it is. This is perfect, right? You wake up, you sit outside, you enjoy your nice cup of coffee, and the room is very spacious as well. So immediately we're gonna go into our bathroom here. This is a very big bathroom. So it comes in, you have a walk-in shower, and the shower has a little stool. I don't know what they're called, but you know the bricks on the wall where you can kind of sit on it. So that's pretty cool. And then you have your double vanity sinks here. Double vanity sink and a linen closet. You have your private toilet here. Private toilet with a window. I mean, come on now. What more do you want? You know, relaxation, whatnot. That's great. And then, of course, this closet space, which is huge. You get me. This is a whole room on its own. So this is awesome. All right, so let's head on upstairs. There is one more bedroom upstairs and a gigantic loft area. All right, guys, so now let's go outside and check out the outside area. Okay, so I think you have the option of making this actually a screened-in porch area. But, you know, imagine just like, I guess right now, you know, especially this time of the year, just sitting out here in the morning and just enjoying your nice cup of coffee. And Lennar does have the option, if you wanted, you know, like kind of like your grill built in, you can absolutely have that. And, you know, kind of like the cobblestone out here, that is also an option for you and your family. So I think that's pretty neat. That's a nice touch. All right, so let's go upstairs. We have one bedroom upstairs, a loft area to check out. Okay, so we come upstairs here, and then we're gonna go to our right, which is the bedroom up here. And so here is the layout here. I think you can actually hold a king size bed in here as well. And then this is a very nice size closet. It's pretty decent. It has like children's clothes in there. And then up here it says grandkids make life grand. So I guess this is supposed to be the grandkids section. So cute. And the decor, oh, so cute. absolutely. And then we transition to the bathroom here. So this is a full bath. The shower has its own little room. And then we go over here to the bathroom, to I guess the toilet and sink area, as well as a linen closet. And then we go out here to the loft area. Now this loft area, I love. It's huge. I think that's a common thing with Lennar. I think Lennar is known for like, you know, nice sized lofts, because almost all the Lennar homes I've encountered do have a very spacious loft area. So this loft area is so beautiful and nice. It's huge. You can kind of like make this, you know, an office area, a craft area, desk, you know, or even a play area for kids. So I absolutely love it. It's nice. And I love the windows. The natural light is able to get in here. So all right guys, so there you have it. Thank you so much again for taking a tour of this beautiful home with me. If you loved this video, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and so others will be able to find this video with ease. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to go ahead and do so you can become a part of my YouTube family and you don't miss out on any of the weekly videos I have to share. All right guys, well, I guess I'll see you in the next video. See you later.